Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Infosys convert your system engineer role to digital specialist engineer as well as specialist engineer role. This video is related to package increasing video, okay, that is sometime known as you can convert your role to higher packages. 3.6 to 6.25 LPA, that is DAC package, and 3.6 to 8 LPA. Okay, and if you not got system engineer test link, okay, so in this video I will be talk on the complete point that is related to Infosys systems engineer hiring as well as DSC role hiring. If you are from 2020, 21 and 2020 batch, this video is useful for all of you. Let's start this video. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that I just made an image that is related to Infosys. Okay, so you have to convert your SE role to DSC and SP role. Okay, so one important point that I have to mention in today's video. Okay, so there are two types of examinations, three types of examination that is conducted by Infosys team. Okay, the first is NFTQ. Okay, it is every year for third year batches, like for 2022 it is already completed. Okay, and for 2023 and 20 for 2021 and 2020 it's already completed, but for 2023 it's ongoing. Okay, so they are offering 3.6, 8 and 6.25 from this examination, and there has a, and in this there is no 60% criteria in 10th and 12th is required. Second examination is Hack with Infi, that is a coding competition, or sometimes this is called as a hackathon. Okay, so they are offering same packages in the hackathon also, like most probably 8 and 6.25 packages, but it is already completed for 2020, 21 and 2020 batches. Okay, on the third number there are third exam that is called the direct exam. Okay, or I just said that direct role exam. Okay, so the direct role exam is systems engineer exam and DSC exam as well as SP exam. Okay, so the basically system engineer examination are is for VE, Tech, ME, Tech, diploma candidate, BSc, BCA. Okay, and they have no branch criteria, like so many branches are eligible, but they have 60% criteria in that. And for DSC examination this criteria is also follow. Okay, and it is only for some branches because they are offering a 6.25 LPA package as well as the 8 LPA package. The DSC package is increased, that's why I just write here 6.25, not the 5 LPA package. Okay, so the DSC and SP examination is completed for some of the candidates. Okay, most of the 2022 batch candidates just completed the DSC and SP examination. Okay, but so many candidates not receive the test link from Infosys team that is related to DSC or SP exam. Okay, so if you register for system engineer opportunity, okay, so soon you got the link from Infosys team, because there is a no official notification or test link from Infosys team that is related to system engineer hiring. Okay, so one important point that I have to mention, that if you increase your package, like if you selected for system engineer role on the 3.6 LPA package, okay, so if they allow, okay, if there is a DSC examination or SP examination in between your graduation, like if you are from 2022 batch and this is your last semester, okay, so if you just got this examination opportunity and if they allow, so you can increase the package. Otherwise, in after joining there are some quarter examination or there are some advanced test. If you just cleared that test, you can promote it to DSC or SP role opportunity. Okay, before moving on to this part, okay, I have a very good news that is related to World Education Day Fair 2022, that is from the Internshala trainings. You can join India's largest online learning event. Okay, you can join us on 24th January 2022. That is hashtag Karo Zid Aage Badhne Ki. Okay, so there are so many events that there are, okay, from the Internshala team. Okay, Internshala training teams, that is a World Education Day Fair too. Okay, so the one important most point, there are so many sessions are on the digital marketing, object oriented with Python, business communication, learn 3D modeling with SolidWorks, live online concert with Rahul Ram from Indian Ocean Band, counseling session. There are so many sessions on the timetable. Okay, and as you can see on my screen that there are so many sessions on that. Okay, and you can just check the IST practicals. Okay, and learn with icon with Padma Shri H.C. Verma sir. Okay, as we all know about that counseling sessions. There are so many sessions on the World Education Day fair, and all these sessions are free. Okay, this is free of cost. You can just check that session, what is counseling session, and will this session will be interactive? Yes, this session will be streamed live on our YouTube channel free of cost, and they will be interactive. The chat feature will also open. What is World Education Day Fair? It is an India's largest online event on the occasion of International Day of Education. You are in for a skill day, a long event of practical learning. There are some of the different practices or different learning are there: business management, programming, core engineering. If you are from any branch, any course, you can just attend that. Okay, there is no free fee. Anyone can participate for the free. You just need to register for the event on the event page. Okay, so there are the some referrals and earn a referral contest also. You can just check that all the information here. Simply you have to just click on view and more event and register. Okay, when I just click like oops with Python, okay, and secure my seat. Okay, I just click on secure my seat here. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that welcome abroad, your seat is confirmed for World Education Day 2022 on the 24th of January, and there are limited seats available. Okay, so just register for this opportunity. These are the some register for this session. And why should I attend the World Education Day fair? Okay, get a chance to interact with Professor H.C. Verma sir. Okay, and get to learn about a field of interest. And yes, attendees that register and attend World Education Fair will get participation certificate from Intenshala trainings for free. Okay, you will also get the participation certificate, refer and earn reward up to 20,000. Okay, so you have to attend the session, and that they have registered, and you will get the participation certificates. Okay, so there are so many good news for all of you. Okay, so this is just related to World Education Day fair. All the links in the description, check that and join in that. Okay, so I have to complete this point. Okay, so one important point that I have mentioned, that if you just increase your package through this examination or this examination, so it will be totally depend on Infosys team. And after joining, if there is some quarter examination or some other examination that is from Infosys team, for they give you opportunity to increase your package. Okay, and one important point that I have to mention, that if you not got the system engineer examination link, okay, so wait for some time, because no candidates got the system engineer examination link. If you just miss the DSE or SP exam, just give this exam. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.